And we are in front of the new Westfalia Nugget L2 with high roof. So yeah, you will not get the pop-up roof, but actually a sleeping pod that's with the bed. Yeah, you can fall it down if you want. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so you have a fixed roof, so you can use it pretty much in winter all the way with heating and a lot of other stuff with a pretty big window right up here, and it's a higher roof variant, but looks pretty nice if you want to use your van in a more hardcore. And also if we step inside, get the same visuals and look like, just like the L2 with the lower roof, but you will have completely much more space all around with additional cabinets here, here, and all around with a net system here, additional windows all around. There are a lot of storage around here. And also the standard bed folds down to make a single or a double. But probably the best part is the fixed roof with all the amenities that the L2 does have. A lot of storage for all your items, kitchenware, all drawers, and well, hot and cold water with a pull-out fridge system right up there, and additional storage all around. And if we go to this side, the standard 3 sitting position where you can make an additional bed situation. Not bad for this new L2 high roof version. Getting out, sorry, and making an visual looks from the outside.